Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your carrier and phone support blocking voicemails. Some carriers still allow voicemail from blocked numbers. Once done, open the phone app or system settings and go straight to phone or call settings. Make sure you have at least one blocked number to test. Keep it visible in your contacts or recents. This avoids wasting time toggling unknown options. Now, move into call blocking or voicemail preferences so you can change how blocked calls are handled. Next, navigate to call blocking and identification or your carrier's app and enable block and filter features. You want to disable any option that explicitly allows voicemail from blocked callers. Some phones label it deliver blocked calls to voicemail or similar. If that option isn't present, install a reputable call filter app and set it to intercept and reject blocked numbers before they reach voicemail. Make sure to test with your blocked number. Call, confirm it's rejected rather than routed to voicemail, and then refine settings as needed. Finish by testing. Have your blocked contact call you and verify that no voicemail is recorded. If voicemail still happens, contact your carrier and request network-level blocking or ask them to disable voicemail delivery from blocked numbers. Make sure Do Not Disturb and silence options aren't masking behavior. They can interact unexpectedly. If problems persist, reset call or network settings, reinstall the call filter app, and retry. Troubleshooting tip. Ask the carrier to check voicemail logs so you can see whether calls were rejected or accepted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.